Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is my World Futera Football 2008 unique cards. First off, I'll just show you the hits because it takes too long to box break the whole thing. We have a Gatso card there. We have a Carles, sorry pronouncing his name. Is that friendly? We have a, I don't even know how to pronounce this guy's name. Torres. Zambrotta. We have a gold card, and show you the back there. Bergkamp, or whatever you like to say. We have a Japanese or Chinese player there, Natakata, or however you pronounce his name. We have a David Beckham card there. I was quite happy with this hit because I like these two players, Ronaldinho and Kaká, dual jersey. We have a one of one order. Michael Thomas. A Henry card here. I've got this guy in the last box too, and I got an auto out of the last box. And you wouldn't believe it, ladies and gentlemen, but I've done it again. I have got a 10 Henry again out of 50. Out of 2 boxes I bought, the second one I busted a couple of months later. Second box of 10 Henry. So I love 10 Henry, but getting 2 autos in one box, it's good, but I have to sell one. Alright, thanks ladies and gentlemen for watching. Those are my 2008 unique hits. Thank you.